All right, in prepping to solve step 3 here, I realized I made a crucial mistake moving backwards to here. When I added all these terms over to the other side, I did not make this a positive, which it should be. And so that 1 over c integral term needs to be made positive in all of these cases. My mistake there. And that's basically what we should have at the end of step 2. And so let's copy that over so we can do step 3. Step 3 is fairly straightforward. And so now it says solve for the variable of interest in the S domain. Of course, for us, we decided that the variable of interest was I of S. So let's just start by factoring I of S out of all of these terms. And so we get R plus 1 over SC plus SL. And then if we want to isolate I of S, we need to divide both sides by this equation. So we get V out over, I'll just multiply the S in there. So it's going to be S times R plus 1 over C plus S squared times L. All right, that's going to be equal to I of S. And then we can just rearrange that expression on the bottom so that we get a nice quadratic that's easy to factor. Let's just pull an L out of all the terms. So we say L multiplied by S squared plus SR over L plus 1 over LC. And now we can plug in values here. So this is evaluated at V out or V0 equals 1.6 volts. Let's see, what are the other values here? R is equal to 4 ohms. C is equal to 0.1 farads. And L is equal to 0.4 henries. Okay, so let's plug those values in. I get I of S is equal to 1.6 volts over 0.4 henries multiplied by S squared plus S times R over L. 4 divided by 0.4 is going to be 10, so let's just make that 10S. And then plus 1 over LC. 1 over 0.1 times 0.4 is basically going to just be 25. And so these go to a value of 4. So I can rewrite this as 4 divided by S squared plus 10S plus 25. And that that denominator is very easy to factor. It's just going to be 4 over S plus 5 squared, or we could even write it as 4 multiplied by 1 over S plus 5 squared if we wanted to. And so this is our expression here. So this was our goal for step 3. It says to solve for the variable of interest in the S domain. We've done that. And so that was pretty quick. And the last step here is going to be step 4, which is going to be getting this thing back into the time domain. So let's go ahead and I'll stop this video, and in the next video we'll wrap up with step 4, which is putting this thing back into the time domain.